Hello everyone, this is Claudia Mendoza. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making crepes for my sons. So I thought about making a tutorial for you because it has only 4 ingredients and I'm sure you have them at home. It's very easy to make. It's a recipe that we do in our cooking class. It's one of our students' favorites. My sons, my nieces and nephews love them. You can make them for breakfast, for a snack, and add fruit to it and any topics that you want and customize it to your taste. I'm also going to teach you how to make a strawberry jelly that goes with it. So let me show you how. To make our crepes, we need a cup of flour, 2 eggs, butter or oil. In this case, we're going to use oil for our crepes and just butter to butter our pan. A cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of water if needed or as needed, and a pinch of salt. To make a strawberry jelly, all you need is strawberries and sugar. The regular recipe is for every cup of strawberry you put a cup of sugar, but that seems a lot, so we're gonna cut the sugar in half for our recipe. Let's start making the jelly by turning on the stove into low heat. In a saucepan, you add the strawberries. You may cut them into small pieces, but I'm putting whole because I'm gonna smash them at the end. Then you add the sugar. Like I mentioned, I'm cutting the sugar in half or even less. I'm putting 2 cups of strawberries and maybe half a cup of sugar or even less. Because this strawberry jelly is for crepes, and in crepes you also add other toppings like Nestle or Nutella. I don't want to make it that sweet. So even half a cup seems a lot, so maybe I'll do 1/4 cup. Or you could do to your taste, so I'm even gonna use less than that. What is nice when you make your own food is that you have control of the sugar you're putting in. So, and you also are not using preservatives. If you want to preserve your strawberry jelly for longer than 2-3 weeks, then you want to add a little bit more sugar and let it simmer and mixing once in a while. So now for preparing our crepes, what we need is in a blender cup, you add the milk first so the flour doesn't stick on the bottom. Then you're gonna add the flour. See, it's very simple. Now you put this in the blender and then we're gonna add our eggs. These eggs that I'm gonna use are from our chickens. So because these are organic eggs, I keep the shell because I keep the membrane, the inside membrane. These are very good for your skin. So I'm gonna save that for later. So 2 eggs. Then you need the oil, and it's 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna put 1. It kind of looks good already. Maybe I put a little bit more. See, I'm gonna put a little bit less fat. And then we add the pinch of salt. As you may see, we're not putting any sweets into the crepes. Here we add some water, the 1/4 cup. And that's it. It's ready to blend. So we blend this for about a minute to make sure everything is mixed well. Now it's ready. You want to check that everything is mixed and it has a light consistency. So this is lighter than what I had planned, but it's still good. Now to cook our crepes, we need a non-stick flat frying pan, and we need to turn on the heat and medium. While it's warming up, I'm checking my strawberries. They need to be soft, they're not ready yet. Mix them, maybe 5 more minutes. Then you're gonna butter. You only need to butter once, and you need a spatula. The spatula is to make your crepes flat and thin. Now let me show you a tool I made myself. When I went to Cancun, I got this idea because I saw they were making crepes and they have a stick. Actually, they have like 2 sticks. It was kind of like a T-shape. So I found this in my crafts and this round stick. So I was using a clip to hold it. So I'm using a paper clip. I already washed it, so I put some foil. And this tool is just gonna help me make my crepes round, thin, and it will make it easier to spread. So this is just an idea, but you can use a spatula and it will work as well. This just helped me make it faster and spread more evenly. Now you could put 1 spoon or 2 spoons and put the spread as big as you want. I'm gonna start here right now with 2 spoons, and I use this to spread, make it round. It cooks very fast, so all you have to do is just spread it around and then wait a few seconds, and then just get the spatula to flip it. And then once you flip it, leave a few more seconds, and that's it. Now you repeat the process again and again. So I'm gonna show you in the next one how to make it with a spatula, but we gotta check our strawberries. Strawberries look ready. All we have to do is smash them now. I like to leave big pieces, so I'm just gonna smash them and let it cook for a little bit more. And now that it's ready, I'm gonna separate just what I need right now before it gets right now that is still, you know, like liquid, so it could be easy to spread in my crepes. And the rest I'm gonna let it simmer. If you want, you could add more sugar if you're gonna save it. So now here's another view of the crepes here, so you may see it better. It's like a close-up. While the pan was a little hot, so it's already ready. I need to flip it. Now it looks more toasty, but it's not it's still soft. Now let's try it with the spatula. Now with the spatula you do the same. You try to spread it around in the shape of a circle. As you can see, it works good as well. Before I didn't know how to do it, so I used to wiggle around, burning myself holding the pan. So if it doesn't come out perfect, don't worry about it. You're gonna fold it anyways, as long as you make it thin. It doesn't have to be a perfect round. And see, it worked out good. I'm gonna make a big one. Adding more spread, you could make big ones like the ones in that they sell in a restaurant. So you do the same, spread it around. You kind of have to be a little fast in here, because if not, then your batter gets thick, and you don't want it too thick, because then it's gonna be like pancakes. So you have to be fast. Spread it, and then it's ready. And then you flip it. Now this one is a little bigger, so it might be a little hard to flip it. Let's try. You may use your hands to help yourself, it's not that hard. And then we're done. Now it's time to assemble our crepes. And for that, I'm gonna use la lechera Nestlé and condensed milk. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. I'm gonna use carnation milk, but you could add any milk you want, or even water, just to dilute it and make it more thinner texture, more liquid. so when you spread, it's not so thick. Just mix it evenly, and then you're gonna start assemble your crepes with any toppings that you want. You could have some whipped cream, some other kind of fruit. I'm gonna use my gloves. I buy like 1,000 gloves for like $6-7 Costco and Sam's Club, and I'm very used to wear gloves because I cook in preschool. I also like to look at my cooking, so my hands won't get sticky and it's more hygienic. So you spread the crepes. You could put bananas, whipped cream inside, mangoes, peaches, Nutella, whatever you want. I'm gonna spread a little bit of Nestle. So that was good that the crepes doesn't have any sweet, because you're gonna add sweetness to it. And just carnation makes it already delicious. So my other son doesn't like strawberry, so I'm gonna make it with cinnamon and brown sugar for him. And you could add whipped cream in it. So here it is. So delicious. Just for the looks, I'm gonna put whipped cream. You could put it inside. I'm just gonna put it on the side. My son does like whipped cream. I don't. So this is great. And let's try it. I hope you guys like this simple recipe. This delicious crepe. It's healthy, so I'm gonna give it a try. I hope you could try this at home. The texture is perfect. It's very soft, very delicious. The strawberry jelly is not that sweet. Of course, if you guys want more sweeter, you could add more sugar to it. And you could put peaches, you could put bananas, you could put Nutella, you could put anything you want. I hope you get to try this at home and enjoy it. Bye-bye. If you try this at home, please let us know how it comes out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red button below, so you may get notifications of our upcoming videos.